Просто делать нечего стрим. Ну, блин. Просто делать нечего. Будем качать нашего бойца. Нет, не надо это. Положите быстро обратно. Есть варианты сделать бойца полутяжелом или среднем весе. Прокачаем в майсках. Демьян Майя, Нагастакому, брателлоу. Даютельский был, блин. Блин, то на то мало. Чек. Кикбоксинг, тунапа. Кикбоксинг. Кикбокс тут угодят надо. Чисто на ударке. Ударка вот на сюзбренга. Нам показатель ударки. И будем метать их направо-налево. А не только это, а изучать удары новые. Удар коленом ведущей ноги, клинч со спины, снайпер, удар коленом ведущей ноги. Сначала мы будем кинуть на жесткой гене. И это Майкл Бисб. Кук ногой. Узел, лажал ведущей ноги. Круговой удар стойка на руках. Боковой удар ведущей ноги. Глядя. Побег с разворота. Давай это попробуем. Сначала, потом пух. В течение 25 секунд избегайте любых ударов кулаками в голову. Кота меула. Чип-чип. Сука, я немножко тупанул. Короче, в борьбу не будем лезть. Мне продолжить ясен, но тупой, а. Фигуйся. Айкнеска. Короче, вот одеха надо.
Defense only now. Get in range, but don't let him hit you. No.
Сайма. Бля, ай, доктор, сука, заебал. Попробовать снова.
You are not allowed to get hit, but you can only slip. You're gonna embarrass yourself if you train like that for a title fight.
Пиздам нахуй. Беган, тут какая-то ляпка, чё он нахуй. Ох, чегна, не, мадам.
Lots of head movement, lots of slipping. Do not get hit.
Что, не ожидал, да? Ты заебал, хава не горит, ёбан. Блок найдем мне. А сказал, телефон принеси-ка, папин. Папин, телефон принеси. Молодец. Бада чё?
Give me everything
того
today.
нет, да
Keep
окей.
'em short.
То видно.
All right,
Ну,
slips
Роктор
and head
башит,
movement
угловато
only.
было.
Don't get hit. Try it again. Didn't quite get there today.
Башит абсолютно. Даже блока нет. Ну, теперь понятно. Паша жестко кот одеха надо.
All right, now we're gonna avoid getting hit using slips only. That's how we avoid strikes. Way to move out there. Get it back.
Идти.
Keep trading like
Эйва.
that, and he still can't catch you.
Наконец-то. Ну-ка, удар ведущей ноги.
Yo, I came to do damage, not hurt anybody. In the same club that used to turf everybody. Putting 25 hours out, outworked everybody. Turned down big money, I know my worth. I'm not
Ну,
anybody.
ячейку баш ходит, переменяй думаю. 5 уже переменяй думаю.
Sink or swim, don't you drown. I'm with myself.
Корпус
Let's go
летит.
deep rounds. Do what you wanna, I do what I wanna. I know you are who you really are when you're alone. But I stay so solid with the bros, hypered up. Whoa. Turn up the baseline. I don't ever watch no face, even when I'm on FaceTime. Give me more time. All I wanna see is tears of joy. That's a war cry.
Авантюрист, жизнь.
When you live like me, they'll want your life. See, then you'll find can't run or hide, cause time isn't on your side. Powers. Powers.
Нам нужны удары руками.
Came to move savage, not hurt anybody. Even though I had nobody when I weren't anybody.
То есть крутого не добавил до
Might spend big money, I know my worth, I'm not anybody. Nah, I ain't never been a star, never been discharged, I've never been in charge. If I take off, don't take it as a part. Listening to old family, Nas, I can see the light, taking it with dark homes where the heart is. It was baking in my yard, and now I'm young fire. I need a mosh pit, not quiet, getting high, when I take it as a chance. You know, dancing in the doorway.
Надо опять продержаться сколько-то секунд, по-моему.
The name of the game is not getting hit. Block, slip, and parry. Let's see it. Come on. Come on. Nice block. Got it.
Жестко гармонул, во. Ну, бадяр кеня. Оу.
I didn't quite see what you had
Оу,
today.
то
Gotta push
видно,
harder next
ёбан.
time.
О, как так долго
All
дальше об
right, today
этом.
we're gonna focus on blocks,
Да,
slips,
обещали
and
здесь
parries.
неделю, надо
Just
это
don't get hit. You got more. Let's go. Nice block. Come on now. That's how you block. Great block. Way to block.
Ой, сишку-то что ли? Эй, эй, эй.
Nice block. Good work. Not it. That's what I want to see. Make something happen. Come on, post up and sweep your leg out. Dominate that position. You can't let that happen. Let's step it up. Let's get tighter in that half guard. Get your leg out. Squeeze your legs. Keep going. There we go. Let's work for that. There we go. Lock your legs now and squeeze. Way to finish the triangle. Good work.
Пошел, блядь.
Your next opponent will kill you with shots like that.
Пошел ты.
All right, use your feet, use your head, use your hands. Slip, block, and parry. Don't get hit. Ooh, good block.
Пошел.
You gotta push there. Come on! Way to block that. Keep working. Let's get it again. Good block. Let's go.
О, вот пошла.
Dig deep. Way to block.
Чи, без пневмо.
Let's push.
А, üç bir de halı sürüsü. Ёбаный ты.
Good block. Work. No. Keep working.
Не проводили.
Nope. Good block. Keep working. Good block. Get back in there. Nice block. Nice block.
我看到，我看到，我那是。
Come on. Good block. No. That's not it.
Собой.
There we go.
Будешь что ли?
Nice block.
Burst.
You gotta
Да
get out of the
ну
way of
нахуй,
those
блядь,
shots.
дай
This next girl
пал,
will
блядь.
kill you.
Долбоящий ребят. Мне нужны эти приемы, блядь.
The name of the game is not getting hit. Block, slip, and parry. Let's see it. Perfect block.
Бля, ну ёпта, нахуй.
Nope. Make it happen. Come on there. Push yourself. Nice block. I am not gonna let you take shots like that. We gotta start working.
Бля, биспин ты, биспин.
All right, today we're gonna focus on blocks, slips, and parries. Just don't get hit.
Чё, не ожидал, да? Ты.
Training like that will not
İki
move you
topan açtı da.
forward.
Bir black yiyem nahı, sukan.
All right, use your feet, use your head, use your hands. Slip, block, and parry. Don't get hit. Nope. No. Nice block. Try it again. Get it back. That's how you block. Come on. Great block. Come on. Way to block. Not it. Come on now.
Bizim de hem de çok iyi dalı. Ben müyüt arayayım o giren. Kuşlu giren.
That's what I want to see. Ooh, good block. Come on now. Way to block that. Not it.
Daha fazla kudar.
Make something happen.
Bas! Eski rengi eski.
Good block. You gotta push there.
İyi, hadi. Gel.
Come on. Keep working. Way to block. Let's get it again. Let's go.
Бля.
Good block.
Girme.
Good block. Dig deep.
Takedown now. Sai, pá.
Let's push. Good block. Well done. Excellent movement in there today.
Нечего улагать вот. Приемного.
You parked outside, parallel to your ride. Then my blood just to see 25. But I'm stressed, see the heat in my eyes. Keep the heat on my side, cause this tech probably keep me alive. I ain't high, I'm just peeping the vibe. Just peeping the trap. Yeah, and I ain't keeping it back. Real rap, this is deeper than rap. Yeah, I was brought up by them black boys, them heat makers and them hot boys. The merry night, bigger not boys. The rock boys and them black boys. Around there like a shot ball, brought up by them black boys, them heat makers and them hot boys, the merry night bigger not boys, the rock boys and them black boys. Around there like a shot ball. Lashing out at you. You think you bout it, we bout it too. Only I said we active when actors give malice to anybody we close to. I'll approach you with a whoop off the so true. Already be so much we go through. Now we gotta do in the whoa. This is tribal, it's rival. In the mouth with a right blow, then you get this pyro. Them punk better lie low somewhere, probably on Cairo with a psycho. When I get back, with a night go with the
Да, блин, для меня майна. Это, блин, пока защита титулов. Да, двойной чемпион. Бобук.
Juju, you better not make me you. So you best better go run tell your crew something new, and it better be up what I got Dogo. Don't make me fight y'all. The fully gon' bite y'all. It's ringing like 60 gun night ball. Yeah, like Lysol. You know when I let night fall,
Упасть нокаут в первом раунде. Рот Блауни, да, опять
Coming up next, out.
Сейчас, борец, да.
Scheduled for 5 rounds if need be. Well, his last time out, he turned in some UFC history, not only becoming a simultaneous 2-division UFC champion, but doing it by knockout, Joe. To knock out a fighter of that caliber put him at a threshold that few fighters have matched in UFC history. Tonight, he'll put one of those belts on the line and try to walk out the same way he came in as a 2-division UFC champion. While the body was wide open, his opponent took advantage. Kick to the body lands flush. He's going to have to make some adjustments here moving forward. Well, this guy was absolutely everywhere in advance of this, arguably the biggest fight of his UFC career. You may have seen some of the national TV spots he was doing. And with all due respect to the local 6 and TV stations, this guy is now on a totally different level. Everyone in the country wants a piece of him. And now as he tries to take his brand global, the most important thing he can do to that end is to win UFC fights. That initiative continues here and now tonight. That landed.
Good defense there.
Oh, right hand is there for him, Joe.
Good inside leg kick.
Connects with the punch there. Another takedown attempt here. Taken down by Maia. Oh, nice job working hard, posting, and getting back up.
Good punch.
Nice body kick there. Oh, he blocked that offense, Joe.
And there's a right hand left hook by Damian.
Back and forth we go. Oh, he's got him here. Oh, he tagged him.
Oh, whoa.
Champ is rocked. He's in big trouble here. We could be seeing a new champion right now. Body kick, look at that. Oh, stunning jab. Excellent feint with the kick.
Change into the southpaw stance now, Joe. And just inches away from landing one of those big right hands.
Good punch.
Maia's lower jaw now, Joe, starting to show some signs of swelling. Whoa! Postures up and delivers a massive elbow.
Postures
Бля,
up.
братка.
Nicely done reversal. Hip escape. Gets out of the full mount.
Бля,
30
болевой
seconds now to go in the round. Well, he works hard to get up again here, but he looks hurt. Pretty good shot there. The stance switches continue. Back to southpaw.
5 минут
Five minutes in the
повалит.
books. Oh,
Amazing highlights from...
Комбинация антинянда.
all right, here we go with round two.
Как это?
This is going to become one of those things where you're just wondering what's it. Oh, he cut the...
Хата бем,
This
бем.
could be it right here.
Well, he wanted us to make it very clear to the MMA fans out there that he's not trying to go in here and wrestle and grapple here tonight. He still wants to stand and bang, but he has switched training camps. He felt like getting different voices in his ear, different guys breaking down film for him would help him take his career to that next level. He's on the brink of contention. He felt like in order to break into that championship conversation, he had to get new voices in his ear. Let's see how it goes for him here tonight. Maia gets tagged by that kick. That can't feel real good, Joe. How about that shin? Well, he got cracked to the head there, Joe. He's going to have to change things up here with his footwork, with his tempo. He can, yeah, looks a little wobbly on his feet.
He's hurt here.
Looked like it did stun him a little bit.
He's out. He's out cold.
Да не моя пал. О, трупы пускала на каутера. Ай,
Outstanding knockout.
Yeah, that was just a gorgeous shot to end the fight right there, Joe. Landed flush, and I'm not even sure the opponent really saw it coming. So back to the drawing board for him. But for the winner, this is certainly exactly what he was looking for here tonight.
Let's take a look at it one more.
Now we go inside the octagon. Bruce Buffer with the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Herb Dean's going to stop this contest at 1 minute, 49 seconds of round number 2. Declaring the winner by knockout and still the undisputed
Машина.
UFC welterweight champion of the world.
Kahlemanlık bollarına takı olan iki yana çempiyonlar. Фарук and Стил болары oldu. Побейте 2 рекламных рекорда. Базара нет. Побейте 6 рекордов выступлений. Потише, потише, ребята. Ребята, тишину ловим.
You gotta touch. You have to see it when nobody else sees it. You have to feel it when it's not tangible. You have to believe it when you cannot see it. You gotta be possessed with the dream. The dream.
Yeah. Any weapon formed against us shall not prosper. Y'all started with oodles and noodles, now we eating lobster. As I walk through the valley with my ladder
Мы должны биться с лучшими.
I just happened to rap. When they all thought we was finished, they was laughing at that. So I went and bought me a dawn and flipped the head to the back. New drag, new whips on the way now. That's your bitch on the way now. Mama told me if you fall, never stay down. Stand up, I can never lay down.
Оу, Тайрон Вуд хочет драться. Ты шо? Ребята, ты шо?
Take that shit to trial at the Fed making offers. $500, lawyers say we looking awesome. Swat that patty for them cups, take them off us.
Весь хочет, да? Тайрон Вуд.
Try to turn my lights out, I'm still lit. Streets colored and they say they want some real shit. Young boy looking like he hit a real lick. I got too many foreigns, man, this shit getting boring. $500,000 last week, you would've thought I was torn. Try to count me out, I guess they thought I was normal. They ain't know I was different. I'm like, Lil' be my witness, cause we're not them dishes in my grandmama's kitchen. Get a pigeon through the vision, break it down on my opinions. Why would I listen? They ain't see the vision when I had a phone. Them bitches know I ain't see the bitches, so I'm a baller. Met the city, let it fall on.
Предсказать свой бой не опасно. Прогноз на бой. Первый раунд дойдем в яму. Раунд.
Tell me shit when I was broke, but they gon' tell me now. I'm running around, got with a drum that hold 100 rounds. If it was then it's now. Never change on my road dogs, but that can't be no things like we old dog. Walk up in the dealer and I pull that rose off. These said I wouldn't make it like I told y'all.
Ну и календарь действует. Удар, когда он открыл. Чай, Тайрон Вудли, готовься, за тобой выехали. Аселя! Зарядник перенеси ко мне. Сколько можно, да? У папы батарея же заканчивается. Спасибо.
Coming up next, how good is this? A matchup.
Тайрон Вудли, Андрей Крылов.
All right, here we go. Will we crown a new UFC welterweight champion tonight? It is time to find out. All right, so here we go with round one of this UFC welterweight champion. Oh!
Тайрон Вудли тоже фэмили.
Back to the feet.
Oh, stunning jab. Nasty combinations here.
Oh, he blocked that offense, Joe. Oh!
Это было жестко. Были какими рыбалами, как будто базаде. Роб добавил на них там.
Beautiful knockout here early in the first.
Yeah, Joe, that was the perfect shot right there. We didn't even get a... Now we go inside the octagon. Bruce Buffer.
Не когда-то детально. Не тоже так-то. Не промах не
Scheduled for 5 rounds if need be. All right, so without further delay, here we go. Round 1 is underway. This is the UFC Welterweight Championship, and there is the champion out of the red corner working his way to the center of the octagon. He has defended this belt in the past and believes if he can do so again tonight, and here and still, he could go down as one of the greatest 170-pound fighters in UFC. Oh! Liver kick!
He's in big trouble here. He's wincing in pain. There's an
Парень, вы это видели? Пиздец, вот там. Машина, блин.
The champion is in big trouble here. He is in danger of losing his title. This fight is dangerously close to being stopped. Oh, he's going for it here. Oh!
Ooh.
Oh! Big left hook over the top.
Look at this takedown.
A lot of different looks. He switches to southpaw now. Roundhouse kick, Joe, unable to find the target. How about that shin? Oh, no, he's got him right here. Oh, he might be out.
Oh, head kick. Nice leg kick.
Hey.
Didn't quite connect.
There's that head kick.
Stop bottom skull.
Well, he got cracked to the head there, Joe. He's going to have to change things up here with his footwork, with his tempo. He continues to be vulnerable to that strike coming back. Got to get his head out.
This could be it right here.
Бля, туда нахуй. Строл.
So under a minute to go here.
Competitive
action-packed first round.
Half guard.
Закрытый гад, блядь.
Look out for the arm. Look out for the arm.
Хуй, я не вижу.
He's got the arm here. Now he's going to throw his leg over. Turns the hips. He's going to sit back.
Oh, we're getting a finish here.
Break the grip.
10 seconds to go.
Толстого. Почти из нереального положения.
All right, so the horn sounds indicating the end of the round. Significant strikes.
Дикий раунд было. Бля, только какая вода есть. Первого раунда дойдем, не уйдем.
Here we are, early round two.
That last round was an all-out brawl. If they continue like that in this round, someone's getting knocked out. And he lands it to the leg.
Oh, he somehow ate that overhand. Wow. Big roundhouse now, just misses. Oh, lands that punch. Constantly a moving target. Well, the offense has been there. He is landing some good shots, but not really stringing them together and putting combinations on land.
He got hurt very, very badly.
Oh, he might be out.
What a wild exchange.
Woodley goes for the clinch here, and this is just a means by which to recover. He is stunned.
Nice takedown.
Just over 3 minutes to go.
He's down. He's out. He landed a huge front kick to the face for the KO victory.
Indeed, Joe, that was a tremendous kick to end the fight. Bruce Buffer has your official decision.
right.
Ready to fight?
Нам не
All right, here
намотал
we go.
первый раунд.
UFC welterweight championship is up for grabs right now. So here he is, the reigning, defending, undisputed UFC champion. And what a fight it was for him his last time out, winning the belt by vicious knock. Whoa!
Ой, бля.
Big shots. He's got him hurt here. Rocked him with that right hand. He hurt him with that hook.
Looking to land the right hand, he misses. Oh, huge block!
Really threw everything into that uppercut, but fell short.
Well, Joe, I know he respects the power coming back, but it looked like he moved right into that kick to the body, and his opponent landed it flush. So let's see if he changes up his footwork a little bit.
Boom.
Beautiful takedown. He's got the mounted crucifix. This is dangerous.
Oh, might be an armbar submission here, Joe.
He's isolating the arm here. He's got it pinned down with his hand. He's got the hand on the wrist, keeping the arm in place. From here, he wants to secure his other hand onto his forearm. That's the double wrist lock position. From here, he wants to pull his opponent's elbow towards his body.
And there's the
He was forced to tap. He got locked into that submission, and there was nowhere to go.
Yeah, that is high-level grappling right there as he gets the win tonight here by way of Bruce Buffer, now with the official. Our tale of the tape.
You ready to fight? Ready.
All right, here we go. This should be good. 5 rounds if needed to determine the UFC's welterweight champ. Oh!
Hit back to him. Oh, look at this. Who saw that coming?
Yep, not a ton behind it, but it landed.
Whenever you see fighters' legs stiffen up like that, that's not a good sign.
Nice right hook to the head.
And he lands a kick to the leg now. Pretty good work on the feet tonight.
He is rocked right here. He's trying to stay up. The champ is in deep danger here. He's really hurt, and he is going to lose his title if he can't recover. Oh!
Oh, well, you can't enter the pocket there unprotected. You got to figure out a way to get your guard up a little bit. Another kick lands to the head there. And let's see if he and his corner can make the proper adjustments defensively to avoid any further head kicks here in this fight. How about that shin?
Good shots by the champion. Oh, this is crazy! Oh, my goodness!
Oh!
Wow.
Under 3 minutes now to go in what has been a very fast-paced opening round here.
Good,
And that's gonna do it.
Bounce! Bounce!
Big ground and pound KO!
Well, that's the way they used to ground and pound fighters back in the day, literally trying to pound your opponent's head through the canvas. Elbows and strikes and hammer. We go to Bruce Buffer for the official decision.
Ой, бля. What you get? Huh? Так. Единственный мой зритель ушел из стрима. Мақтау Дима Кириллик рекордке лайкталыққа. Респект, уважуха тебе. Бүгін кирен лайк бер, комментарий де болу. Мақтау Дима Кириллик. Усман, Камар Усман летал. Тағы удар үзі давки. Тоғылы мен кейін дадырын тоғы аяға дейді өтін. Engrana. Kalau kita foto aja kirim.
You are not allowed to get hit, but you can only slip. No! Your next opponent's not going to be able to keep up with you.
Приемы, конечно. Машина он окуди.
tears in my eyes. Waking up in mud, you left me to die. My heart turned cold December 29. 30 and below the day that hell froze. How did I survive? Blame it on my soul. Fire in the hole. You turn your back on me, it's clear you someone I don't even know. Being naive, the jealousy can poison anybody's soul. Ending the chapter of my life without a funeral. So grab another shovel, dig another hole. Oh my, dark times, feel my rage deep inside. To survive, I can't live a lie. To survive, I can't live a lie. Oh my, dark times, feel my rage deep inside. To survive, I can't live a lie. To survive, I can't live a lie. My severed veins, full of rage, draining blood off the page. Angel on my shoulder, devil on my case. But my anxiety, I can't escape. I feel alive, but something strange. I'm scarred for life, but where's the pain? Recognize your face, forgot your name. People come and go, that's a common thing. Playing the game, people will change. You think you know someone, they probably fake. People will lie, straight to your face. Look in the mirror, they can't relate. Neither can I, I'm out of place. I trust myself, people can wait. Despite it all, my faith remains. Jesus was crucified, nobody changed. Oh my, dark times, feel my rage deep inside. To survive, I can't live a lie. To survive, I can't live a lie. Oh my, dark times, feel my rage deep inside. To survive, I can't live a lie. To survive, I can't live a lie.
Добрый день.